In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an email from Outlook. Let's start with Outlook open on your computer. First, choose the message you want to print. Click the email in your inbox to select it. You can also open it in its own window if you prefer a larger view, but simply selecting it works fine. Take a quick glance to make sure it's the correct conversation or message, especially if your inbox has multiple threads with similar subjects. Now, there are 3 quick ways to get to printing. You can go to File, then Print. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Or, click the printer icon in the ribbon at the top of Outlook. Any of these will take you to the same place, so use the one that feels most natural to you. When the print preview opens, this is your chance to confirm exactly what will come out on paper. The preview shows how your email will be laid out, including images, formatting, and line breaks. If something looks off, don't worry, you can adjust it here. Look for print options or page setup. These controls let you fine-tune how the email appears on the page. Paper size determines the sheet you'll print on, like standard letter or A4. Orientation changes whether the page is portrait or landscape. If your message has wide tables or images that look cut off in portrait, switch to landscape for a better fit. Headers and footers control the small details at the top and bottom of the page, such as the date, page numbers, or account information. If you want a cleaner look, you can turn some of those off. If you need contextual details for filing or documentation, keep them on. As you make changes, watch the preview update so you can see the results before you print. Once the layout looks right, select your printer. If you have more than one printer available, double-check you're choosing the correct one, especially if your organization uses network devices. You'll usually see your default printer selected automatically, but it's worth confirming. When everything is set, printer chosen, preview confirmed, and page settings adjusted, go ahead and click Print. Outlook will send the job to your printer, and you're done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.